Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. But before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about common antonyms. Antonyms: loose, win, floor, ceiling, long, short, harvest, plant. Live, die, follow, lead, like, dislike, life, death. Fix, break, little, much, first, last, rare, common. Humid, dry, entrance, exit, narrow, wide, light, heavy. Include, exclude, host, guest, hell, heaven, even, odd. Start, finish, import, export, tiny, huge. Hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.